Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jen from the Clayton Candle Company. So today is very exciting because I have ordered my spring scents and they have finally arrived, which I did the complete opposite of last year when I didn't order my winter scents in time. And I'll put that video right here where I say, learn from my mistakes. Don't wait till the last minute to order your scents. So I didn't do that, and this year my spring scents are here. So I did order from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and I will just make a side note. It did take probably about a month to ship, which I was not too happy about, but they were having a sale and I kind of stocked up on some scents that I was going to do this year. And I also, like I said, got my spring scents, and I'm adding 2 new scents to my line this year. So some of the scents I already had because I ordered huge jugs of them last year. But these, I just wanted to kind of just stock up on a couple. So I'll just show you what I got. All right. So I did already open the box. I just want to let you know because it comes pre-wrapped, and they're not moving in the box, that's for sure. But I didn't open the scent. So all right. So this one is white citrus. This one had a lot of good reviews. I tried to do something different this year. I tried to look at what people are selling, right? Because in the past, I've just created scents that I liked, but I never really, asked my customers what they like. So it seems like this year it was a lot of citrus flavors and obviously flowers, which I already have scents in my spring line that smell like flowers, so I didn't want to go overboard on that. But this one had a lot of good reviews. I really like orange, lemon, lime, so that's really strong. So I think that one's going to be perfect. I don't normally just take a fragrance oil from the bottle and just make that my candle. I actually experiment, and I will put different fragrance oils together to create my candles, which I don't want to give my secrets away. So this is going to be mixed with something else, but this is great. This actually would probably be good with like a lavender. Actually, that's really good. What else did I get this year? So the white citrus, I actually ordered a lot of it thinking that I was probably it was because of the reviews, it kind of sold me on it, and I was like, this is probably gonna be a good seller, so I ordered more. Like I said, they were on sale. So this one is rose vanilla. So that really smells good. So this one, once again, I'll mix with something else, but it also had really good reviews, and I said, I really want to add 2 new fragrances to my line. The one fragrance that I did last year didn't really sell. I'm still debating on whether I'm gonna take that one off or not. But I'm actually gonna come out with a video on all my spring candles and go over every single one of them and what they smell like. The end result basically. And I'm also gonna add wax melts. So I have been experimenting with different formulas on trying to come up with the best one for wax melts, and I think I've nailed it finally. So that is actually something that I'm going to be putting on my website as well. And then I also ordered smaller scents. So this one is orange cream vanilla. This smells like sizzling. It smells like creamsicle, which is really funny because I have this creamsicle one. So that one, and then I stocked up on berry vanilla as well because I was running low on it, and that's actually one of my #1 sellers is my berry vanilla. So I'm excited. I did not order from Candle Science this season just because I already had stocked up on a previous sale that they had. So I would keep an eye out on Candle Science and Wholesale Supplies Plus, because Wholesale Supplies Plus, recently I never know when they're having sales. I'm always just kind of looking, and then I just happened to fall upon this one, and that's why I ordered what I ordered. But like I said, shipping has been taking insanely long on all fronts. I haven't ordered from Candle Science since Christmas. Christmas, it took over a month as well. So, I mean, I basically, my suggestion is the same thing as the other one, is to plan ahead and make sure that you are giving yourself time for shipping. I mean, I'm honestly still receiving Christmas cards. That's how backed up the post office is. So, that tells you anything. But I just wanted to go over that these are my spring scents. They're coming. I'm on time this year, and I will have a video that will go over all of my whole line and what I have coming out. Be sure to like this video, give a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to try and do more videos like this where I'm kind of showing you my unboxing, and then I'm also just kind of showing you behind the scenes. So if you have any questions, make sure that you comment down below. I try and answer all of my questions that I get. And if you don't get an answer right away, feel free to email me or send me a DM on Instagram. Okay, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next video.